How to buy more Notcoin now. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up any exchange of your choice where Notcoin is listed, and Binance is also the one where Notcoin is listed. Simply open up that particular exchange, and in this particular video we will take the example of Binance, how you can purchase more Notcoin on Binance. Simply open up Binance, then hit up to the market section, and over here search for Not on the top, and the Notcoin will appear. There are different pairs for the Notcoin that you can utilize in order to purchase Notcoin. We will select the option of Notcoin and USDT pair. In this, you would require USDT in order to purchase Notcoin. Simply click on buy, and this is where it will take you. Now you can either purchase it on the current market price, or you can set a limit order. Simply check it from here whether you want to set a market price or the limit order. Simply select it. After that, you can either select the amount of Notcoins that you want to purchase, or you can type the amount of USDC that you have in your wallet that will be utilized in order to purchase the Notcoin. And after typing the amount of USDT over here, you can see that you can purchase 6,751 Notcoins with 100 USDT. Now after that, click on this option of buy Not, and this way you would be able to purchase it. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.